In this video, we're going to show you how you can import tags into a tag list. So basically, we've got a bucket here which we've created, and we just want to add some. It might be when you're just starting up and you want to do a mass import using a file. We've covered other ways of doing this. So the basic process is we're going to go to our tag list, having prepared our file, which I'll come to in a minute. We're going to select the tags import file. We're going to then use a map which we've created, or you're going to create, to just map what's in the file, tag name type in this instance. Then we're just going to submit it and update it, and in the end the tags will be added to the relevant bucket. A couple of points. If you look at the test file that I'm going to use, I've got two parts. This is the tag name that I want to be added. These are the tag buckets that appear in the pick list, and you can see I've got two types here. So in the pick list, we've gone through this before. This is back-end stuff. So effectively, within our pick list for this type, we've got two elements. We've got the label that's going to appear in the PIM, but we've also got a lookup. You can use either in your creation of the file when you're creating it. For this purposes of this, I've used the lookup rather than the full name. You can always change the full name, but we always advise never to change the lookup, which is being used potentially in various integrations. So just to go through the process, so we're going to the tags, tag list menu. We've got, let me just shut the file down because we're going to be using it in a minute. We're into the list. We've got an import button here. We're going to be creating new records, not updating new ones. So we browse to our spreadsheet, tags import master, which is the one I've just created and shown you. Press next. It's already recognized the tag name and type from the file because there's only two columns anyway. I could have used a map if I'm created this before and there was a lot more things. There's no pick list options happening here, and I'm just going to run a normal. So basically submit that. It's created the 6 records already, and I would have got so if I go back to my tags list or my tags tree, you can see it's created them there. If I go back to the tree and just go to a version of looking at it in a slightly different way, I've got them added here and my antennas added here. So this is just showing you how you can use a file to get started as part of this process. So just to recap, we've got 3 processes. We're adding buckets, then we can add new tags directly using the UIs, or we can import them. And we've just gone through this route here to import tags into the PIM. The next section is going to show you how we can apply tags to products and then integrate them with, say, a Shopify website or some other site that you may be using.